Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can customize always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. First understand that what is always on display. If you lock your phone and if you want to know what are the notifications received, and if you want to see the time, just if you tap on the empty screen, it will show some of the options. This is called always on display. So what you want to show here, already it is set by default. You can yourself customize it. Okay, by tapping, it's showing here time, date and other notifications. Okay, if you want to customize this, yes, you can do it. For that, what you do is just go to the settings of your phone here and then go to lock screen, and here select always on display. If it is turned on, then only it will be showing. Okay, otherwise even if you tap on locked screen, it will not be showing. Okay, already it is turned on, and you can here customize it. Click on always on display, and here see here show a clock on notifications when your phone isn't in use. Okay, that means when your phone is locked, if you tap to show, first option is selected. If you tap, then it will be showing. Otherwise, show always means always it will be showing. See here, always it's showing. Okay, when your phone is locked, but it's always showing. Okay, that's the second option. Okay, in this way also you can customize. Then show as scheduled, at what time this clock and notifications should show. Okay, that you can set. If you select third one, click on show as scheduled, you can set your own time. Click on set schedule and click on start time. Here I set 12 p.m. 12 or 1 p.m. and click on end time. End time is 10 a.m. Okay, so between click on done. Between 1 p.m. to 10 a.m. Always on display will be active. Okay, on all other times it will not be showing. Okay, then you can also set show for new notifications. Okay, only if new notifications received at the time always on display, that is date, time and notifications will be showing. Okay, in this way you can easily customize always on display. It is better to use tap to show for having better battery life. Okay, see here, it's showing. If you turn off always on display, what will happen? Now let us check it. I have turned off always on display. Now it will not be showing. Even if you tap on, it will not be showing. Okay, because it is turned off. Okay, I go to the settings again and go to home screen, lock screen, and I turn on always on display. So in this way you can easily customize always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.